Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your watch. You will need this instrument, or you can use scissors or something else. The idea is just open right here. So you put it like this and you open. When you open it, you have to remove this plastic thing. Just like this. Don't break it, but just not really easy to do it with one hand. Here you can see some numbers, and you should buy the same battery for your watch. To remove your battery, you just have some space, and now, as you can see, I have it in my hand. And then you just put your battery inside. Here you go. Let's see if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it works now, so it was really easy. Put everything in the place, then you just close everything. First you can do it with your hands, and then you do it with this instrument.